Hi everyone, it's Teacher Tuesday, the first one of 2026. And I'm excited to ask this question, and I really want your feedback because this gives me high overwhelm. Because what do teachers want to use? What's available to them? What are your districts paying for? What are the sales reps from these companies trying to sell to your district? And what do you do about it? So are you using any of these AI tools in your classroom? If so, which ones and why? Do you feel overwhelmed with these like I do because it takes the time to learn it? There's one that's not on here, Nearpod, that I'm about to engage with. So just give me some feedback. What are you using? Why do you love it? What are you not using? Why do you hate it? Teacher Tuesday 2026. Let's start with the AI conversation.